Guys, so today's video is going to be really fun. I'm going to be attempting to make the Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. Today is November 3rd, which means it's National Chicken Sandwich Day, which means Popeyes chicken sandwich is back. All week I've been so excited about this chicken sandwich. I was going to order it like 10:30 in the morning when my Popeyes opened, and then my sister gave me the great idea to just make it and film it. So I saw this video on Twitter. I'm gonna try to follow that recipe. I just bought all the ingredients that I'm gonna need. They're all in this bag, so I'm gonna head out to the kitchen. I also have work in less than 2 hours, so I kind of have to hurry up, and I'm like a really slow cook, so we're gonna speed this up. Hopefully it's good, and I'm so excited. Here, let me show you guys what I got. This is my little bar cart that I bring with me to the kitchen all the time just because I cook all the time, and then my tripod. And here's what I got. I got buttermilk, cornstarch, potato buns, flour. I got Checkers fries because Checkers and Popeyes fries are like really similar. I was gonna order Popeyes fries, but I'm like, I could just get these, you know. Eggs, cayenne, mayonnaise, and then everything else that I need I have here. Oh, my chicken's at the bottom. So let's do it. I hope it's good. Here's a recipe that I'm following. It's from this Twitter account. I'm just gonna get started with cutting my chicken and seasoning it. Also, clean your chicken, don't forget that. The recipe says to season this with salt, pepper, cayenne, and Tabasco. I didn't buy Tabasco, so I'm gonna season it with salt, pepper, cayenne, and whatever other seasonings, paprika, whatever. This is cayenne red pepper. I'm gonna go in with pepper. Instead of salt, I'm gonna do Lawry's seasoning salt. I'm gonna do a little bit of paprika. And I'm gonna do a tiny bit of poultry seasoning. So I'm gonna put the chicken to the side and start on the flour mixture. I don't have no measuring cups or nothing like that, so I'm just gonna kind of eye it. Then I'm gonna put cayenne and paprika in the flour and a little bit of pepper. So I'm gonna put that to the side, and then in my next bowl I'm gonna do 2 eggs and then the same amount of buttermilk. So basically half a cup of buttermilk. Take the white stuff out of my eggs. You don't have to do this, but I literally do it every single time I make eggs, so. Okay, so the recipe says to pour this mixture over the chicken, but I'm just gonna dip it in there and then dip it in the flour and then fry it because I don't have the time. While I wait for the oil to get hot, I'm gonna go ahead and make my spicy mayo mixture. Also guys, they have best foods here instead of Hellman's, which is really weird. I'm just gonna, is it open? So I can't put you guys at the best angle, but I think my oil is hot enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the first 2 pieces of the chicken in there and hope for the best. I've never fried chicken before, by the way, so. So I'm just gonna kind of let that do its thing and I will get back to my spicy mayo. So I'm literally just gonna put like that much cayenne in it. Actually a little more. I like cayenne. So that's my spicy mayo. Let's check back on the chicken. Okay. These are the buns that I got. I'm gonna put like 4 of them in the oven just to get them toasted a little bit, and then we're gonna start on my fries. I don't have enough room on my pan, so this is how they go in the oven. I just kind of want to get them a little like warm, you know, don't have to be like perfect. So it says these fries are supposed to go in the oven, but I want to make them on the stove. I'm just going to put like a little bit of oil and spray a little bit of Pam because I don't have any more oil. Yes! I'm actually going to put the other 2 in now. The bread is all nice and crispy. The fries are doing their thing, and so is the chicken. Ooh, these 2 pieces are good. Alright, so now we wait. Alright, so I'm gonna put my spicy mayo on my buns. I probably should have made more, but that's okay. I didn't really realize how many pieces of bread I would have. So at least I got my spicy.
Fry your fries.
They're still cooking. I don't know if those are gonna be good. They're just so soft. Okay. It doesn't really smell like Popeyes, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Here's what it looks like. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I don't know why I'm scared. I literally made it. Honestly, that is mad good. Ooh, it's spicy.
It's good?
It's mad good. It's just that the skin didn't stick to the chicken, but the taste is spicy. The mayo is good. I need to try the fries, but so I'm gonna end this video because I have work in like 30 minutes. I need to clean everything up. But after eating a little bit more, I would say this chicken, it's not better than Popeyes, but it's really good. The spicy mayo is perfect. It's more spicy than Popeyes, which I like. It's just like this, like you can see the skin. Can you see? Is it gonna focus? The skin is like kind of off of the chicken, but like if you put it back, it's great. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me try to make a Popeye chicken sandwich. I'm giving it like 8 out of 10. It's real good. The fries, not that good, but it's fine. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Check out my social media, my Instagram and Twitter is in the down bar. I'm on FaceTime with my brother if you can hear, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.
Rule number 1 to be a boss ass bitch. Never let a clown nigga try to play you. If he play you, then rule number 2, fuck his best friends and make them yes men.